gonna take a quick tour inside of this Thru gas station, or Shell gas station. So this doesn't just have speakers; they also have ceiling fans in there as well. So we have these clip F.C.S.E speakers, and they sound really good. Take a close listen to them. Take a closer listen to these speakers. Alright. Oh, look at that. I also see a 4J speaker. Appreciate it. Look at that. I might get copyright though, but it is worth filming anyway. And you can see right there that there's a SMC ceiling fan. Now, what I remember, these used to be a Harbor Breeze Classic, but I guess they replaced it with a with this SMC ceiling. Wait, hold on. Oh, wait, this is not an SMC. This is a West housing. West housing. So, well, that was surprising. I thought it was an MC, but apparently not. But you see right there, there's a Harbor Breeze Classic. This is what that fan. This is what that fan used to be, but I guess they are replaced. As far as I know, before the replacement, this fan never had a light, but I guess they installed it. So yeah, there's another 4J right there, 4J speaker. Let's get close to that speaker so you can hear. Y'all can hear how listen. You can hear how good these speakers sound.
Your 7th drink is always free when you use your Thru rewards card. Buy 6, get 1 free fountain, lemonade, or tea. Not a rewards member? Sign up today online at Thru.com or on the mobile app.
Sounds nice and clear. This is a little muffly though. It's a little muffly. There's another Harbor Breeze Classic. One of my favorite ceiling fans right there. So yeah. And the tour, I'm gonna take a final look at these clip SCH speakers. And they're just really quiet. They used to be loud. I think it's probably the ones back there, but yeah, that's the tour inside of the Thru gas station. So yeah, thanks for watching.